Here we are at the flagship Belk store here at SouthPark Mall in Charlotte, North Carolina. Anyways, we're going to get a look at this elevator. Store directory right there. It's an OTIS, formerly a probably Lexan, known. This opened in 1970, so it's probably a Lexan. Ooh. Ooh. We're going to 1. What?
Thank you. Oh,
traction.
You want
to? 3-dimensional sensors. Go up to 4. Yes, you heard that right. 4-story Belk. It's got the original motor.
You're scared away of mom and a little kid.
No, I'm sorry.
That's okay. Basically, I think the 2 of us were too much for them.
Here we are at 4. This thing's interesting. Back down to 1.
Do you know where the restrooms are?
No. Alright, here we go. Bomb drive traction, obviously. Coming down?
Yes.
What floor, 2 or 1?
2. Yeah, 2.
Thank you.
You're welcome. The restrooms are up on 3.
Yeah, we'll come back up one more time.
There you go.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Ooh, yeah, this is an old bottom drive traction. Take it back up to 4. Going up.
Thank you.
What floor? What floor do you want? 2?
Pick 3.
Alright, here we go.
He's got a YouTube channel.
Have a nice day. Now intercab you. Well, we have this thing. Very nice elevator. But my gosh, is this thing busy. Here are Fixtures. Series M2, hands-free 80 kilobyte phone. 3,500 pound capacity. I'll see you back down here. I'm going forward and down here. And here we go. This thing's kind of epic, to be honest. And now 3. Going down?
I am.
What floor?
1, please.
First floor?